Additional Course B1P19A. Position Coordinate Systems. Angular hole on mantle surface. With the knowledge from the last course, positioning the diagonal hole on the cylindrical surface is no problem in this additional course. This is because work steps can be aligned as desired using coordinate systems. And so that the position associatively adapts to the diameter, a measurement is generated again. Create base body. First create the small sketch. And then with the revolve command, the bolt. Position Coordinate System. Select the method CSYS offset again and as reference the option selected CSYS. A constant value can be entered in the X direction, but in the Y direction the CSYS should automatically adjust to changes in diameter. Select Measure, and then, with the settings shown, select the mantle surface. Click on the small disk at radius to create the output and then click OK. Finally, rotate the CSYS around the Z-axis, -25 degrees. Name the CSYS so that it is also clear later what controls the position of the hole. Position hole. Select the point of the CSYS position. Select Vector. Reverse the direction and enter the hole parameters. Finally, a short test. If the shaft diameter is changed, the CSYS follows the change, and so does the hole. Control CSYS via parameters. For this purpose, a parameter must be created in advance in the sketch. Open the sketch and right-click on the measurement and select Add/Remove Expression. Now the generated parameter can be used. Simply open the CSYS position with a double click. Then click on the ruler and on Make Constant to delete the link to the measured value. Then click on Reference, Feature Parameters. Select the sketch. Select the parameter. And divide by 2. Conclusion. Whether measured values or references, both work equally well. Measured values, however, offer the additional advantage of creating links to objects that have not been dimensioned in the required way.